Hi, Lily. Do you know people who always want to show off? Like they think they are the star every day.
You mean like a showboat? They want everyone to look at them?
Yes, like a man who carries many bags just to look strong.
Oh, yes. Like they're in a movie all the time.
Yeah, and look at your phone. It's on the table with the logo up.
Hey, it's just sitting there. Relax, Sherlock.
That's a classic flex. You know, when people try to show off, we also call that a show-off move.
Flex? What does that mean?
Good question. To flex first meant to move your muscles. But now it also means to show something to look cool, like money, clothes, or skills.
So my phone is a flex?
Yes, and sometimes people do a humble brag.
Wait, what's that?
A humble brag is when you brag, but try to look humble. Like, oh no, my new car gets too much attention.
Haha, I said. My hands hurt from typing on my light laptop? That was a humble brag?
Yes, that's a subtle flex. Not loud, but still a flex.
Whose motorbike is outside? It looks very shiny.
That bike? Just a simple bike, shining like the glory of Zeus.
Sitting in the sun, like it's on stage.
Total luck, like Stonehenge in the sun.
That's called performative modesty.
Big word. What is performative modesty?
It means you pretend to be humble, but really, you want people to look at you.
Oh, like I don't care about likes, but checking your phone a lot?
Yes. And some people just want to keep up with the Joneses.
What does that mean?
It means you copy others to look rich. If your neighbor buys a new car, you want one too.
Ah, that's how toxic flexing starts.
What is a toxic flex?
It's when the flex is fake, or it makes others feel bad. Like using Photoshop to show you gave money to charity.
Oh no, I saw someone do that. The donation paper looked like a joke.
That's fraudulent virtue signaling.
What does that mean?
It means you pretend to be a good person just for attention.
Or when influencers take one photo with a shovel and say they built a school.
Yes, if you really help, you don't need a hashtag.
So, what is a good flex?
A healthy flex is real, like finishing school at 40 or fighting an illness.
That's nice. It makes people feel happy.
That's why I say, flex for joy, not for ego.
What does it mean?
It means share because you're happy, not because you want to feel better than others.
So sharing my medal equals joy. Saying just 26 miles before breakfast, ego.
Yes, the intention matters.
What is ego?
Ego means how you feel about yourself, your pride, your image.
Oh, so big ego equals big show off.
Exactly. So every flex needs a truth check.
And a vibe check. Ask, am I sharing or showing off?
Yes, and never forget, all that glitters is not gold.
What does that mean?
It means something can look nice, but be fake inside.
Like a big donation post. But the money never came.
Or, I read 10 books, but they only read the covers.
Haha, that's true. Once I said I helped at a school, but I only took photos.
I posted about running a marathon, but I walked most of it. I just wanted likes.
So we were show-offs too.
Yes, but now we know, real is better than fake.
Next time I flex, it will be true. Like really finishing a marathon.
Or helping when no one is watching.
Deal. Let's drink our coffee. To honest flexing.
Cheers! And no more shiny motorcycle traps.
So, what should we flex next time with truth?
How about scoring 800 on the TOEIC test?
Whoa, that's a real flex. But we need a plan.
Okay, study every day, practice listening, and read more English.
Let's meet here every Saturday. Coffee and study time.
I love it. Real work, real flex.
No filters, no fake scores, just us, learning English.
And one day we'll flex that 800 TOEIC with joy.
Deal. Let's get it.
And when we do it, no humble brags, just joy.
Maybe a small coffee celebration? A soft flex.
That's the spirit. Soft flex, strong skills, honest life.
I hope that's a real word, not a fake flex.
Haha, we'll find out. Let's get to work.
Let's flex our brains.
Best flex of all. Thanks for listening to our fun little conversation. Now let's look at some new vocabulary we learned today. If you have any thoughts, feel free to drop a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe. Hey.
Hashtag is a symbol # used on social media, often used for jokes or showing off.
Stonehenge is a famous old stone place in England, often in jokes about the sun or magic.
Showboat is a person who always wants people to look at them.
Fraudulent is dishonest, intended to deceive or cheat someone.
Vibe check is asking, is this a good or true feeling?
Modesty is not showing off, being humble, not trying to get too much attention.
Brag is a verb that means to talk proudly about something you have or did, often to show off.